global confectionery processes over $7 billion of inventory across its distribution centers. Their inventory includes perishable products that require special storage. Sometimes these products are coded incorrectly in the inventory management system due to human error. If mistakes are not corrected in time, the damaged products must be either sold at a discount or destroyed. Management wanted a solution that would catch and correct product coding errors earlier, so they could recapture the revenue lost from damaged goods. WonderBotz provided a custom automation solution to monitor inventory. The solution utilizes user-defined rules to identify mislabeled products. When an incorrect label is identified, the solution alerts the distribution center and supply personnel so they can quickly make corrections. Faster identification of mislabeled inventory saved the company $7 million that would have otherwise been lost.